Hello everyone! Recently I've seen many posts on Shopify community forums where other merchants are asking how to change the store currency. And truthfully, it's very easy to do if you have not made your first sale. But if you have made your first sale, the only way to change the store currency is to reach out to Shopify support. So in this video, I'll show you how to change store currency if you have not made your first sale. So you have to be logged into your admin panel, then click on settings, then click on store details at the top, and scroll all the way down. Here it says store currency. As you can see in my case, I cannot click and change it because I already made several sales in my Shopify store. So the only way for me to change is to reach out to Shopify. But if you haven't made the first sale, you'll be able to click on this drag down box and just pick whatever currency you like, maybe Canadian dollar, US dollar, AUD, you name it. Next, I'll just show you how to reach out to Shopify support if you would like to make a currency switch. So you have to go to shopify.com and scroll all the way down. Here's a 24/7 support. Just click on it. Then you can either log in or just click continue without logging in. Then type into your search box support. And look for get support continue button. Just click on it, and here you can either chat or email with Shopify staff, and that's the only way to switch currency if you've made the first sale. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you like other videos with respect to Shopify, please ensure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.